Welcome to UK Pro Reviewer, the channel where we explore unique and innovative products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we have something truly special for you, the Quepiem Retro Manual Typewriter. This vintage-inspired typewriter is not just a writing tool but a piece of functional art that can transport you to a different era. Let's dive into the details. The Quepiem Retro Manual Typewriter is a stunning piece of vintage nostalgia. Its stylish exterior and retro keyboard design immediately catch your eye. This typewriter is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your home decor or office space. It's not just a writing tool, it's a conversation starter. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just getting started, this typewriter is incredibly versatile. You can use it for writing letters, making notes, crafting, or even starting your novel. The satisfying clacking sound of the manual typewriter keyboard adds a unique charm to your writing experience. The Quepiem typewriter is crafted with attention to detail. It's intentionally designed to have some rust marks, welding marks, and imitating dust to achieve an authentic vintage effect. This attention to detail gives it an authentic and rustic feel, making it stand out as a piece of functional art. This manual typewriter comes with a hard shell carry case and a black-red strap, making it easy to transport and store. Even if you've never used a typewriter before, it's user-friendly and suitable for beginners. You can start typing right away. The percussive sound of typing on this retro typewriter can ignite your creativity. It's not just a writing tool, it's a source of inspiration. It's also an excellent gift, especially for children, to help them experience the charm of old-fashioned writing and stay away from electronic distractions. The Quepiem Retro Manual Typewriter is made of metal and exudes a minimalist, traditional, and retro design style. You'll receive one piece of this retro manual typewriter when you order it. Consider adding some extra items to enhance your typewriting experience. You can purchase 4 pairs of Universal Typewriter Ribbon twin spools for replacement ribbons and Amazon Basics multi-purpose copy printer paper to keep your typing going. Make sure to check the shipping details for your location. In conclusion, the Quepiem Retro Manual Typewriter is a remarkable piece of vintage-inspired craftsmanship. It's not just a writing tool, it's a gateway to creativity and nostalgia. If you appreciate the charm of the old days and want to elevate your writing experience, this typewriter is a perfect choice. Thank you for joining us on UK Pro Reviewer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Stay tuned for our next exploration of innovative products. Until then, happy typing with your Quepiem Retro Manual Typewriter.